In this tutorial, I will show you how to add slide transitions in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, open an existing presentation or click Create a Design and choose Presentation to start a new one. After the presentation editor opens, add a few slides to your project if you do not already have multiple slides. Next, move your mouse between two slides in the slide panel. When you hover between the slides, you will see a small Add Transition option appear. Click on Add Transition and Canva will open a panel with different transition effects. Choose a transition style such as dissolve, slide, or circle vibe. Canva will show a preview so you can see how the transition looks between your slides. You can also adjust the transition duration to make the effect faster or slower. Once you select the transition you like, it will automatically apply between those slides. Repeat the same process between other slides if you want transitions throughout your presentation. That is how you add slide transitions in Canva.